Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss part 3. This is our last part. In this part, you are going to learn how to create and save an HTML document. For this one, step 1, open Notepad. Step 2, write some HTML code. Step 3, save the HTML page and how to save it. Step 4, how to view the HTML page in your web browser. First, how to open Notepad. Left click on the start button. Then write NOTE pad in search area. Then Notepad will be appeared. Click on Notepad. The Notepad will be opened. So these are called tags. In between these we are going to write the HTML codes. Now second step, write some HTML code like basic programming. HTML head, title, my page I am going to write. Title should be closed. Then head should be closed. I already told you it is having two parts. One is head part and second one is body part. Body part is main data, which the data is going to be displayed in the web browser. So I closed body tag and I am going to close HTML tag. Then how to save this file? Click on file menu and click on save. Dialog box appears. Then click on location where you want to save the file. I am saving on desktop and write file name as your wish. I am writing here my first page. After writing here, make sure that you need to write .html. Then only it will save. Click on save button. The file will be saved in desktop. You can observe here. Then how to open? Right click on that one. Click on open with. Choose the web browsers. I am clicking on the Google Chrome. So the file will be open. You can observe here the body. Welcome to my page. And this one is called title. In this way we can create and save the HTML file or document. Next we are going to learn about headings. What are these heading tags? Look at here. You already know how to open. Left click on the start button, write NOTEPAD notepad on search button and choose the notepad file. Notepad file will be opened. Write here basic program. I am going to write head section, HTML, head, then title, about tags I am writing, close the title. I have written body heading tags, close the body tag, close the HTML tag. Then you need to save the document in HTML format. Click on save, then dialog box appears, choose the location and write the file name. I am writing here tags .html. You need to mention .html after your file name. Mandatory, compulsory. Click on save, minimize, and this is here. I am going to open that one. You can see here heading tags. There is one tag that is called p tag. P tag means paragraph tag. By using p tag you can write paragraphs in your HTML web page. So I am writing like this. HTML tags are 6 types. They are used for heading purposes in web page. We need to close the paragraph tag. Then save it and refresh your page. You can see here the paragraph has been came. Write H1, welcome to my page. H1 should be closed. Click on save and go to your web browser and refresh it. See here you can observe first tag. H1 tag comes that letters in bigger size. That is called H1. I told these are total 6 tags are there. H6 up to H6. Look at here next tags. I am writing H2. Save it and refresh. See you can observe here. It is little bit, the font size is little bit decreased. I am writing remaining also H3 up to H6. Once done, you need to save the page and refresh your web browser. See here, there are total 6 types of headings. You can observe here clearly. H1 is the bigger size and H6 is the last size. In this way, we can write the headings in the HTML web page. Coming to the next, our final topic is superscript and subscript. It's SUB, not SUP. Okay, for subscript I written little bit spelling mistake wrong. It's SUB. See here I am going to write here H2O for space BR. BR tag is used to break the line. So refresh this one and it is came to the next line. Now I am going to write here, this is normal text. How can we apply the superscript and subscript for this H2O? I have written H2O. In between H and 2 I am writing SUB and close the SUB. If you observe here, I have written SUB sub and I closed SUB I have open tag and closed tag. In between there is 2. Now I am going to save and see the output here, how it is coming. If you observe here, that H2O for chemistry formulas, you can observe that one. It is called subscript. Let us have one superscript. Instead of sub, I am writing that SUP sub and close the tag with SUP. Then save this one, refresh your web browser. You can see the changings to your text. Now you can see here clearly, first one is subscript and second one is superscript. Okay student, I hope you got this lesson. If you feel any doubts, you can reach me out. Okay students, meet you in next class. Till then, take care, stay safe.